Ymlaen gan Cummings, sodiad da i mewn teg at y rhediad efo yna gyfle cynnar o mae Caerfyrddin Liam Thomas! Wedi rhoi Caerfyrddin ar y blaen, 80 eiliad ar y cloc. Y rhediad o ganol y cae gan Lewis Harling. Luke Bowen yn ei gadael im. Isa fo'n cam sefyll trafod ei chyffwrddi. Ac y weledigaeth i sgwario'r bêl i Liam Thomas. Sherman, Letsaws chwilio am Declan Carroll. Do ddim yn cam sefyll. Mae Bowen yn y canol, methen ni'n ôl i Bowen. Bowen yn troi Bevan a cael ei faclu yn y cwrs Cosby, mae Gicor Smotin. Lee Bevan yn baglu Luke Bowen. Mae hwnna gyfle rwan i Gaerfyrddin, dyblu'r mantais. Liam Thomas yn erbyn Cochlan. Thomas yn chwilio i ail ac yn hawdd yn pasio'r bêl lawr y canol. A mae yna fynydd i ddringo rwan i'r cochion. Digon opsiynau yn y cwrt Cosby. Teg at y post yn pella neb ar gyfil. Bowen yma, Liam Thomas wedi sgorio hat-trick. Smonach llwyr yn amddiffyn y tîm cartra. A Liam Thomas o blaen toed iddi yn y cwrt 6. Mark Jargi Cryd. Ymlaen. Yn y gyfle i'r eilydd Vickers. A Liam Thomas yn rhithro mewn i'r cwrt Cosby. A hefyd Luke Bowen. Vickers, yr eilydd. Yr ar draws. Mae'n taro'r postyn agosa. Hunanol braidd gan yr eilydd. Opsiynau yn y cwrt Cosby.
Neil, a crucial 3 points this evening in a tense local derby.
Yeah, after last week, it was important that we responded. You know, the defeat last week, we didn't play particularly well, so I asked for a response from the players, and I thought I'd go on. So we were very pleased with the 3 points tonight.
Fi'n credu wy'n hollol haeddiannol o'r buddugoliaeth. Wel, nath Liam Thomas sgoro hat-trick. Fi'n meddwl mae fe'n chwaraewr dda i ni. Ni'n lwcus i cael e. Ond na fi'n credu ni hawl yn well yn nhw a yn heiddi'r 3 point.
Not a bad way to celebrate your 200th Welsh Premier League game this evening?
No, that's my first hat-trick in the Welsh Premier as well, so it was a great way to get it.
You know, everything we've talked about, everything we've put into place, you know, it just goes out the window in the first, you know, in the first 10-15 minutes. You know, everything we talk about half time, you know, we start well, you know, we're on the front foot. I think a couple of, you know, just sloppy goal again. Like, you know, there's 3 sloppy goals from our view, and just don't give ourselves a chance. Like.
No, so now, you know, with that defeat, puts Carmarthen further ahead. Kevin Druid's win tonight as well. Could the 3 point deduction for Carmarthen be any consolation?
No, I don't think so. You know, I think Carmarthen taking care of themselves. You know, they've had good results. You know, I think that doesn't really matter now. And there's a bit of a daylight now between yourselves and the bottom 2. Can you now push on to get that 7th spot?
Yeah, we keep talking about it. What we want to do is get as many points as we can in the second phase and win the second phase and see where that goes. You know, if it's enough to catch Met or Aberystwyth, I'm not sure, but we just want to keep getting as many points as we can.